Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to edit in Google Vids. First thing you will have to do is to go to docs.google.com, then click on this plus icon to start a new video. Now it will give you the option to choose whether you want to create landscape video, portrait video or square. For the sake of this tutorial I will click on landscape. As you can see, you can create with VO 3.1, AI avatars, convert slides, record videos, upload videos, templates and storyboard, and much more. So we can start with blank vid, and it will give you this blank canvas and the blank sequence. You can just simply get your videos from the folder, and just drag and drop it right here. You can also drag and drop the music also beneath, just like in other editing softwares. Right now I will play it for you to see how it sounds.
And that brings us to
It's just much too loud, so I will click on the sound option and bring the volume of the music down.
the central theme of today's discussion.
That is so much better. Now, as you can see, when I close this, I can go right here and explain how you can use this to edit. You can generate AI video clip. Just describe your 8-second video right here. Choose whether you want it landscape or portrait, and then click generate. It will generate with VO3, so it will be awesome. You can also select the option to animate an image, so just turn an image into a video using Google Vids. Now you have option to create an avatar from the current scene. You have also voiceover options with a lot of narrators, as you can see right here.
The voice you select makes
Just select the voice that you want, enter your script right here, and then click on insert voiceover. As well, you can generate images, as you can know with Nano Banana. And right here you can record, so we can record with your camera, voiceover, screen, and camera and screen at the same time. Just click on start recording. Here you will have your uploads, so the files from your Google Drive and from your photos. Here you have stock photos, so you can insert to your videos stock images, stock music, and also stickers and GIFs and much more. Here you can create captions for your video. You can choose from all of these styles that Google Vids offers you. Also, you can add a title, subtitle, and all sorts of text to this video. Here you have templates, and so as you can see, you have a lot of templates if you want to create presentations of some sort or other. And the last thing you will have here is shapes. So this one needs no explaining. Here you can simply adjust the width of your timeline. And up here you have some options as well. So play around with it. You have a lot of options here and you can edit your video however you like. You can shorten it, place it somewhere else. You can edit the music, even generate a voiceover if you want. So it's up to you. You can add a transition, click on add transition right here. And you can add transitions. So it's so simple. I will show you right now. Just choose the transition that you like. So let's say spin. Now when I play the video, as you can see,
Discussion. Finding that balance between aesthetics.
Transition is shown. It is simple. Just click play if you want to play your
And
video.
that brings us to the central theme of today's discussion. Finding that balance between aesthetics.
It is this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.